Let me show you a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, and I'm gonna show you what accessories do we get and how the tablet looks like. So let's get right into it. First we're gonna remove the tablet from the box, and I'm gonna show you first what accessories do we get. So over here we have our box, and in here we can find, of course, pretty much everything. That is the USB-C cable. There we go. And we have some papers, the quick guide, and let's actually try to do that. So we have the quick guide, information about, for example, the IP rating, and some other stuff, just a bunch of papers essentially. And also there's the eject tool that can be used, for example, for the memory card slot or the SIM card slot as well, if you actually have the 5G version. So as you can see, that's pretty much it. That's all we get inside the box. And now let's move on to the tablet itself. Alright, so this is how the tablet looks like. Of course, we have the front camera over here in this place. Let's take a look at the back. You can even see my fingertips already. So we have a camera in here. Now let's take a look at this side. Here we can find the power button and volume buttons and a microphone. This little dot over here is the microphone. At the bottom we should be able to find the USB-C port, two speakers over here, and the microphone again. And now let's take a look at the top. Over here we also have, I presume these are speakers as well, and the SIM tray over here where we can insert our SIM card or a memory card. And that's about it. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.